If you talk about the advantage of the course, you already told that it's straight to point, just 3 hours, you give all the best knowledge. But if we try to compare with the longest courses like 60, 100 hours, what is the main benefit to start from your course?
Yeah, because my course is only 3 hours. At the beginning I explain the complex concepts in simple words, in easy simple words, so you can get them quickly. I am starting a practice. In my course, you are building a project where we use some popular practices and approaches you need to use in your career. And also the course has different quizzes, coding exercises, which help you recap all your knowledge and learn it better.
Yeah, the coding exercise definitely awesome,
Yeah.
especially the last one that you showed me. I loved it and spent a little bit time playing with it.